Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious dark chocolate bark using an easy method. First, gather your favorite dark chocolate and any desired toppings. Ensure your workspace is clean and ready for a quick assembly process. You'll need parchment paper and a baking sheet. This simple approach guarantees a delightful treat every time. To begin, chop your dark chocolate into small, uniform pieces. This helps it melt evenly. Use a double boiler over simmering water or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be patient and avoid high heat to prevent the chocolate from seizing. You want a perfectly smooth, glossy consistency. Once your chocolate is beautifully melted, quickly pour it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it into a thin, even layer, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Immediately sprinkle your chosen toppings over the warm chocolate, pressing them down gently to ensure they adhere. Now, transfer your baking sheet to the refrigerator and chill the chocolate bark until it is completely firm. This typically takes about 30 minutes. Once hardened, remove it from the fridge and break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious dark chocolate bark in an airtight container at room temperature for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.